Wagwan guys, you see, I'm going to be telling you 6 good signs that actually tells you if you stand a higher chance of making big money on Upwork and not even have to struggle like most people do, but actually make serious money within your first 1 to 3 months. I have been on Upwork for years, earned substantially on Upwork, built freelance communities, coached freelancers, and studied and even interviewed some of the highest earning freelancers on Upwork. And I keep seeing these patterns with people who actually make thousands or even millions of dollars on Upwork. So if you are thinking about joining Upwork or you've just started Upwork, I made this video with you in mind. First sign that you will notice is when you have a skill or you have an experience that is actually very hard to learn. This answers those who keep asking me, what skill am I to learn to make big money on Upwork? No, I'm not talking about those common and saturated niches like graphic designing, even product design and virtual assistant niche. They are good niches, but they are getting gradually saturated too. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about stuff like building app with blockchain, generative AI modeling specialists, quantum computing developers, designing quantum algorithms and stuff like that, blockchain forensic analysts, AI ethics and bias auditors, things like sustainability tech consultants, things like AR and VR prototyping specialists, building enterprise training SIMS, or things like IoT cybersecurity specialists. These aren't just the kind of skill that you pick up from a weekend course. These are actually expensive and very difficult to learn. So if fortunately for you, as you're watching me right now, you already have any of these skills or you can learn, you have the opportunity to learn them. These are high demand skills. You can't just learn them up on YouTube in one weekend or maybe do 1 month tutorial, those kind of courses. You know what I mean, Abi? But if you can learn them, not only will you make big money on Upwork, you become a rare gem even outside of Upwork. You become a sought after talent globally. I was researching Upwork recently and I found out people doing this kind of jobs are actually charging up to $80 to $150 per hour, depending on the country and the experience level. Why? It's actually quite simple. There aren't just enough people who can actually do these works properly. So if you spend months or years learning something like this, something that most people actually find very difficult or inaccessible to learn, and then you can deliver it remotely, that's also important. Because for example, if you learn something that requires you to be physically present, then that's not an Upwork thing for you, especially if you are not in a country like US. Do you understand what I'm saying? So learning those skills will actually make clients get attracted to you. Now, go to your Upwork. If you already have a niche, go to your Upwork and search for jobs in your niche. Use the search bar. If you search for jobs in your niche and you're seeing more jobs with less than 10 people applying to each of them, that means that your niche is actually reasonably competitive. That means not too competitive, not oversaturated, which is actually good for you. And you stand a better chance of winning jobs. Okay, now let's talk about the second sign that you will see that shows you that you will actually make serious money on Upwork with time. If you've been on Upwork for maybe 1 month to 3 months and you are getting invitation to jobs, or you've landed some small gigs within your first 1 to 3 months, maybe like worth $100 to $500, man, that is huge. I was saying it when I started in my first month on Upwork, I made $400 plus, which is a very strong indication. So if you're also seeing that indicator in your first 3 months, you've been able to make maybe up to $400, $500, man, that may not actually look like a lot of money to you, but it actually indicates that, man, your presence on Upwork, your skill level, whatever you brought to the table is firing on all cylinders in here. You understand what I'm saying? So that small $200 project you might actually think is nothing can actually turn into $10,000. For example, I've experienced cases where jobs start with maybe $150, $300, and then it grew up to something more substantial. I've seen this happen in my own experience, and I've seen this happen with other freelancers. So early wins, no matter how small it is, it actually means that you are doing something right, or something is actually working in your favor. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now let's talk about the third sign that indicates that you are going to make a lot of money on Upwork, and that is the fact that you are naturally good at explaining what you can do for people. You can communicate your value very well. You can write a simple message that actually tells a client exactly how how you will help them solve their problem. You have that foresight to see even the problems that the client is not presenting to you. Or you can actually sweet talk an Arab person to buy sand that they have in abundance, to buy sand from you. Emeka, like Aproko doctor will say, that sweet talking talent is not for wooing women. It's something that can actually help you bag big money on Upwork. Then if you don't have maybe like that sweet talk, you're not a very good communicator and all that, or you are a good communicator but you don't know exactly how to communicate with Upwork clients. Amazingly, I teach that here. So you can like this video at this point and subscribe to this channel so you can actually leverage my free library of resources here on this platform. I would advise that if you are totally new, there is a playlist chronologically arranged for newbies. The playlist is Upwork Beginner playlist. Just go through this channel and check the playlist session so you can actually do that, and you can also join my WhatsApp community. Upwork data actually shows that people who can write personalized proposals, not copying template or using AI, that personalized simple messages actually win 3 times more jobs than those generic copy and paste applications that most freelancers actually send on Upwork. So if this actually comes naturally to you, you are going to convert like crazy. Okay, now let's talk about the 4th sign that you will see, or that indicates that you are going to make a lot of money on Upwork, and it is the fact that you actually work in an industry where companies have serious money to spend. What do I mean by this? If your skill actually help tech companies, banks, or e-commerce businesses, man, that's a sweet position to be in, because these companies are actually used to working with remote people, and they have budget that actually will shock you. It will shock you. Upwork reports that 28% of Fortune 500 companies like Johnson & Johnson are enterprise clients on Upwork. So if my brain serves me right, I think sometimes last year, or was it last 2 years, it was alleged that Johnson & Johnson actually spent about $7.7 million on Upwork hiring freelancers. Is it Johnson & Johnson? I'm not too sure though, but I know a particular company spent something in that region hiring multiple freelancers. So those kind of companies, like paying a specific freelancer $50,000, like working with a specific freelancer to the tune of $15,000 to $50,000 will not be a big deal, because like they have very deep pocket. From what I have seen in Upwork's 2024 data, I think 2024, clients in those sectors I actually mentioned regularly post even projects worth $5,000 and above, and they care way more about the quality that they get than maybe like finding the cheapest person. So being the cheapest person on Upwork, lowering your hourly rate should not be your only strategy. I'm not saying that is bad. Of course, if you've been following this channel, or by the time you check other videos on this channel, you know I'm not totally against that, because there is a point that you use that. Sometimes I reduce my hourly rate when I see like, oh, I'm not getting as much project as I would. I reduce it a bit, and maybe like when I say I'm getting too many projects than I could do, I up it again. So you can be strategic about that. So if your skill actually fits the areas that I've mentioned, and you are still contemplating, you are still debating whether you want to join Upwork or you want to take Upwork seriously or not, I beg, stop contemplating. Do you understand what I'm saying? And go ahead, fire on all cylinders. The 5th sign that you're going to make a lot of money on Upwork is if your work was already impressive before you even ever heard of Upwork, and you can do this job for people, for clients across the world remotely. For example, maybe you have a number of coding projects on your GitHub that people actually love, or a design portfolio on Behance that actually gets a lot of people reaching out to you directly already, even before joining Upwork. Or you are already making maybe thousands of dollars from freelance work, maybe through LinkedIn and other freelance platforms like Fiverr. It means that you have solid proof that you know what you are doing, and which actually helps you to actually skip the hardest part of starting on Upwork. New freelancers with great samples like you, very good projects that they can actually present that I did this. They stand a chance of maybe like 40% more to actually get job invite right from the beginning, right from their first few months on Upwork. Do you understand what I'm saying? Clients actually see that this person knows what he's doing, this person knows the onion, and you would also already have the experience to interact, to negotiate, to relate, to convince clients, because like that experience is real even outside of Upwork, so you just bring it to Upwork. And another good part is if you have maybe like some certifications in those rare niche, or even in any niche, like you have some experience experience. When you come on Upwork, they call you and interview you. Like during the interview, if they sense that you are an expert, they can even give you an expert vetted badge, depending on how the conversation. I think that would be a video on its own. So when you can actually get someone credible, and also when you can get someone credible on LinkedIn to actually give you Upwork testimonial pending the time that you actually start getting Upwork review, that is a good indicator that you are going to make good money on Upwork. And the sixth sign that you are going to make good money on Upwork is if you understand that freelancing on Upwork requires experimentation and continuous learning on a platform like my channel here. You actually know how to commit to a thing and persist till you get results. You understand that your first 10 or even 20 proposals may not convert to a job, may not give you back the money you spend on their connect. You understand that you need to learn, relearn, and keep retrying, because it's one thing. So people just learn, watch video, or another category of people. So people just watch maybe one single video or two videos and they want to like start making money, and if they don't make money, they feel disappointed and they quit. No, you need to make learning your lifestyle. Do you understand? As at when I had crossed $20,000, $30,000 on Upwork, I was still learning actively. And you need to keep learning actively on Upwork. Do you understand what I'm saying? Until that one Upwork client, that one project that will actually change your life comes. So you also need to understand that you need a freelance community with deep discussions coming up occasionally or frequently, and where if you have any question, if you have any challenge, if you have any issue, you can actually get an answer. If you recognize yourself in at least 3 of these signs that I have mentioned, Upwork is probably perfect for you. And I think the last one I should mention and not skip, because it's actually the most important, is the fact that the seventh sign is that you understand that Upwork is a business. If you have that understanding, like that Upwork is a business, that is the seventh sign. That means that you know that Upwork has gone beyond just a trial and error site, a site where you just join and luckily you win jobs. No, now it's a business, and you can actually bring real business strategy of getting jobs. You can start putting that into Upwork. Then you have a high chance. You have the money to invest. For example, like imagine someone having maybe like a 500K to buy Upwork Connect. I can guarantee if the person actually learns and does other things, you would make that money back. Do you understand? Not 500K dollars. I mean 500,000 naira. So sorry, I deal with dollars and naira and can mix things up. So you understand that you need to invest in Upwork to harvest. Maybe you can't even do 500K. You have maybe you can invest like a $50 in buying Connect, $100 in buying Connect. You can invest in paying for a coaching session. Yeah, I offer a coaching session. You can invest in cost. See, Upwork now, the seventh sign is that you must understand that you need to invest in Upwork. You need to spend on Upwork before you can make money out, like any other legitimate business. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now let me ask you, which of these signs actually describe your own situation best? Which of these signs do you have? Do you see in yourself? Maybe can you say at least 3 or even 2? So just drop a comment and let me know where you stand. I read every single comment, and I am always curious to hear how you are positioning yourself on Upwork. You understand what I'm saying? Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next video.